Okay, welcome to Let's Get to the Marks, going through another A-level MCQ question. This one's on hydrogen bondings. Which compound forms the greatest number of hydrogen bonds per molecule in the liquid state? Why don't you pause the video, have a go at the question. I'm going to whip through the answers. All right, here we go. Right, this first one, A, is propanoic acid. So let's just draw roughly out the formula. Okay, so of course, to get hydrogen bonding, you need to have an oxygen atom attached to a hydrogen. So we've got some hydrogen bonding going on there. It can bond to another carboxylic acid group, another propanoic acid. But the beauty of the carboxylic acids is they also get some hydrogen bonding forming between the oxygen on the carbonyl group of one and the hydrogen on the alcohol part of another carboxylic acid. So there we go. I'm not going to draw the full thing out, just going to put R there, but there should be a carboxylic there as well. So you can see there's a hydrogen bond, and then the hydrogen on the alcohol bit can form a hydrogen bond to the OH on another carboxylic acid. So in their liquid state, you're going to have loads. They have two hydrogen bonds per molecule forming. Okay, so they can form two H bonds per molecule. Now, if we look over here, this is a ketone. What's this? Propanone. So if we think about it, propanone can't do hydrogen bonding because there's no O attached to an H. There's no N attached to an H or no fluoride attached to an H. So there's no hydrogen bonding whatsoever. You're going to get dipole-dipole forces in propanone in the liquid form. Now we've got propanal. And propanal, once again, no hydrogen bonding. There's a hydrogen and an oxygen close to each other, but they're not bonded together, so they won't do hydrogen bonding. Again, this will have some sort of dipole forces in the liquid state, but it's not as strong as hydrogen bonding, so we can say A is the best answer so far. Now, this one will have hydrogen bonding. This is propanol, so they're all propans, these. And you will get hydrogen bonding, but of course, if you just have propanol molecules, you're only going to get one hydrogen bond formed between each two alcohol molecules, right? So this can chain onto another hydrogen, another propanol, and that can go on to another, etc., like that. So essentially, there's only one hydrogen bond formed per molecule kind of thing. So there's only 1 point of hydrogen bonding here. So this is going to have a lower melting point and therefore weaker hydrogen bonds. Don't forget sharing's caring. Hit the like, punch up the bell, subscribe. Let's get to the marks.
You're still here? It's over.